Hello, this video is about how to set your connectors. Therefore, you go to the Cabinet tab. On the cabinet, you can set the corner connectors, the connectors that are used if you have a sloped roof, and the connectors that are used if you have a miter. For demonstration purposes, let's just add a miter. If we now look at the line view, you can see that the different connectors have been applied. If we now change our cabinet, and add a sloped roof, you can now see that the third type of connectors that we just set is used. You can change these connectors at any time. Just make sure your cabinet is selected. If your sloped roof is on the back side of the cabinet, and you want only this part to use a different connector, you can define the connectors this way. Just make a double click on the part, go to Editor, and select your left connector, and close. If you do so, the connector on the angled top panel gets changed. If you double click a straight part, you can set the connectors just for this part. If you now close this menu, the connectors are changed. This was how to set and change your corner connectors. Thank you for watching.